Good morning, ninth class, chapter number 2. Name of the chapter is Matter Around Us Pure. The topic which we are dealing here is 2.5. What are the types of pure substances? This thing you already have familiar with all these assignments. Now is the turn of topic 2.5. And what are the types of pure substances? Pure substance means which is made up of only one type of particle. So here, what are the types of pure substances? On the basis of their chemical properties, on the basis of their chemical composition, substances can be classified either as elements or compounds. So you can classify pure substance into elements and compounds. This element, Robert Boyle, was the first scientist to use this element in 1661. So here in this year, Robert Boyle was the scientist who has described about, this term was given by Robert Boyle. Then Antoine Laurent Lavoisier, a French chemist, was defined an element as a basic form of matter that cannot be broken down into simpler substance by chemical reaction. So this statement was given by this Antoine Lavoisier about that element you cannot break. It is means any matter, whether this pen or laptop or anything, any matter is made up of the basic unit is known as element, and you cannot break element into simpler substance by any chemical reactions. Then elements can be normally divided into metals, non-metals, metalloids. Then about compounds. So compounds is a substance composed of two or more elements chemically combined with one another in fixed proportion. Here about compounds. So compounds means elements. When two or more elements combine together in fixed ratio, then it forms compound, like water. Water formula is H2O. So there are two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen, both combine together to form H2O. H2O is water. Carbon dioxide, carbon and oxygen, both elements are combining together to give a compound, that is carbon dioxide. Then about elements. So elements can be classified into three: metals, non-metals. So just here metals, have a recap. These concepts you are already familiar in your 8th class also. So metals means they have luster, they have golden yellow color, silvery gray also. Then they have conduction of heat and electricity. They are ductile, malleable, sonorous. Their respective meanings are there. Then example of metals are so many. Some of them are gold, silver, copper, iron, sodium, potassium. Then one of the एग्जाम्पल ऑफ मेटल इज मर्करी, जो कि कैसा होता है, लिक्विड होता है रूम टेम्परेचर पे. नेक्स्ट इज द टर्न ऑफ नॉन मेटल्स. नॉन मेटल्स भी आप पढ़ चुके हैं अपनी जूनियर क्लास में. सो हियर वैरायटी ऑफ कलर्स आर प्रेजेंट इन केस ऑफ नॉन मेटल्स. दे आर पुअर कंडक्टर, हीट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, दे आर नॉट लस्टरस, नो सोनोरस, malleable, no, they are also not ductile. The non metals examples are hydrogen, oxygen, iodine, carbon. Then carbon other forms are coal, coke, then bromine, chlorine, all these. Then the middle one between metals and non-metals, what is present? They have the properties of metals as well as non-metals, intermediate properties, means between both of them. So they are called metalloids. Examples are boron, silicon, germanium. So this is all about the topic, the different classification of elements. So then about differences between mixture and compound. So today we have learned about elements and compounds. Then how compounds are different from mixtures. In case of compounds, there is fixed ratio, clear, but here there is, just look here, say point number 2, fixed ratio. Composition is fixed, and here composition is not fixed. Elements react to form new compounds. Here elements are reacting to give new compounds, but here elements or compounds just mix together to form mixture, or no new compound is formed. The number 3rd point is the new substance has totally different properties. Means suppose in case of carbon dioxide, carbon has some different property, oxygen has some different property, and carbon dioxide, it has totally different. The properties are sometime it is matching, sometime it is not matching with the properties of carbon and oxygen. But in case of mixture, जैसे आपने बनाया, चीनी है आपके पास और पानी है, आपने चीनी पानी बना दिया. चीनी पानी इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ, शुगर वाटर इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ मिक्सचर. तो चीनी पहले भी मीठा होता है और चीनी पानी मिलने के बाद भी वो आपको मीठा लगता है. तो प्रॉपर्टीज़ लूज नहीं होती individual elements or compounds के. And here the constituent can be separated only by chemical or electrochemical chemical or electrochemical reactions. You can separate, and here these can be separated by physical methods, and here these can be separated by chemical or electrochemical reactions. Then about assignment 1, 2 you have already completed. Now assignment number 3 for today's work. Question number 10 of your textbook exercise. Okay, thank you.